Ketchup, a beloved condiment, found in households and restaurants around the world, has a rich and fascinating history. Join us as we delve into the origins and evolution of this iconic sauce. Believe it or not, ketchup's roots can be traced back thousands of years. Its story begins in ancient China, where a sauce called ketchup was made from fermented fish entrails, meat byproducts, and soybeans. This early version of ketchup bore little resemblance to the condiment we know today. By the 17th century, traders introduced ketchup to the Western world. English sailors encountered it during their voyages to Asia and brought it back home. The sauce underwent transformations, with ingredients like mushrooms, walnuts, and oysters being incorporated to suit Western tastes. In the early days of America, tomatoes were regarded with suspicion and considered poisonous. However, in the late 18th century, tomatoes gained acceptance, and recipes for tomato-based ketchup began to appear. One of the pioneers of modern ketchup was Henry J. Heinz, who founded the Heinz Company in the late 19th century. He standardized and mass-produced ketchup, ensuring consistency and quality. His iconic 57 varieties slogan remains famous to this day. Ketchup's popularity soared in the 20th century, spreading to every corner of the globe. Different cultures adapted the condiment to suit their culinary traditions. In places like Malaysia, Indonesia, and the Philippines, spicy and sweet variations of ketchup emerged. Ketchup also became inseparable from fast food culture, from burgers to fries. It's hard to imagine enjoying these classics without a generous dollop of ketchup on the side. In recent years, there's been a growing demand for healthier and more natural alternatives to traditional ketchup. Many companies now offer organic and low-sugar options to cater to health-conscious consumers. Moreover, the DIY movement has inspired people to make their own ketchup at home, experimenting with different flavors and ingredients. Whether it's spicy, tangy, or sweet, the possibilities are endless. And there you have it, the fascinating journey of ketchup, from ancient China to your kitchen table. Next time you reach for that bottle, remember the centuries of history packed into every squeeze. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more historical insights.